Aloha romantic friends, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to do an unboxing video. Forget to tap that bell. And so today we're just going to do a unboxing of a product that I purchased for my business, and it actually came in pretty quickly. This particular seller was actually an Etsy seller, and they ship really fast. So it didn't take no time to get to me, and I was surprised that it got to me quickly. And this is actually something I needed to invest in for a long time. And I really needed this particular product for my business. And I am so excited to finally get one officially. It's official. I have a adjustable single wire soap cutter. And you guys get to see firsthand of how it looks, because this is my first time seeing it in person as well. And I'm so excited. I mean, this is actually better in person than what I saw on the internet. And the great thing that I like about this particular cutter, you can actually get it for if you're right-handed or left-handed. You can actually get the blade, the handle part. You can actually get it if you're right-handed, or you can get it for your left hand. I do believe, if I'm not mistaken, but I have to really go back and look at the listing just to make sure that this was the one I was looking at. So I like the fact that I'm able to slide this piece here back and forth, because that's what make it adjustable, and you can actually adjust it as much as you want to the width of your soap bars. So I am just going to find a measuring tape to see how big I want to cut my soap bars. And I am so happy. I feel like crying, because I have been fighting, really fighting with cheese slice cutters, and typically they leave drag marks in the soap. And I like the soap blade cutters, but there's nothing like buying your very own soap cutter. So nothing, I mean, it feels good. It's an investment that if you're able to get one, because it took me almost when I say a very long time to invest in one. I just had to break down and do it. Sometimes you keep putting it off, and it seemed like it should have came with instructions. Right here, aha, they had it stuck between the crevices of 2 blocks. I'm like, I know I have to have another screw somewhere. Okay, so far this supplier gets an A-, because I didn't get instructions. I didn't know, that I'm supposed to lift this from here. Okay, all right, I get it. So right now I'm just taking the little plastic protection tube off of my screw. Then we want to be able to place the part that has the 2 holes. You see the hole there? We want to place it down into the groove here. Then I'm going to place my screw into the hole, so it's supposed to go to one end and out the other. So one end, out the other. Then we're going to put the protection, I forgot what you call those, but yeah, I know it protects the screw. I'll think of the name of it in a minute. And then we're going to just tighten the screw. Yay! I'm so happy, so happy. Okay. I'm going to just call this part protection ring. I know that's not the name of it. But now you guys get to see how I cut soap. So, I should bring my camera down just a little bit more so you can actually see what's going on. Let's get this out the way. So, this video, you're actually going to see me. I would like to protect this part here. This part needs protecting. Bit of wax paper down. Because I'm about to cut a soap that I made the other day. And it's really soft. Really soft. And I don't want to scratch up my new soap cutter. Yeah? Don't want to scratch it. Okay, let me undo this right quick. So that's why I want to put this down. About there. Okay, just gonna readjust that. Let's cut some soap. I don't know if I want to actually show the video, this particular video of the soap that I made, that I'm about to cut, because I had a hard time with this particular soap I'm about to cut. But I'll have a video explaining why I had a hard time with this particular soap. I like to use extra virgin olive oil in my soaps, okay? And it's amazing because this particular brand that I bought, it was a dark green color, but typically when I use my extra virgin olive oil, I don't have a problem with my soap, you know, coloring my soap with the micas. So my last 2 batches of soap, no matter how much color see what I mean by my soap is like still sticky, my soap just would not turn colors. It would just stay green. And so I don't think, and actually this is a well-known brand, which is kind of funny. I'm gonna have to put a picture up on the screen of the brand that I used. And I've actually used this brand before and didn't have too many problems with it. So it looks like I'm gonna be changing brands, because for some reason, no matter how much color I use. I couldn't get myself to turn blue. That's the color I was aiming for. I was aiming for a blue soap, so no matter how much blue I put in the soap, I could not get a blue. I kept getting like, hello, I want blue. I'm using blue mica, so therefore I should be having a blue soap. But no. Ooh, this is way too soft. Ah. So I should wait, like, that means when it's soft, I should wait. The soap is really soft. It's so soft. It's still like mushy. Like, still a lot of water in there. But I want to cut it because I want to try out my new soap, soap cutter. So I can't wait. I cannot wait. I know I'm gonna probably regret it, me not waiting, because it's not really ready to cut. I just made it, and it's not hard. It's not hard. And then I bet you I'm gonna get color all over my new soap mold, which isn't a good thing. But I just want to make one slice, please. Can I make one slice? Ah, it's sliced perfectly. Straight. Just straight through the soap. Oh, what am I doing? Ah. Okay, so that's the side that I really messed up. So when that gets smoothed out, I'm going to have to smooth that down. Or just give it away as a free soap. But I'm going to eventually have to smooth that out. So, yeah. So the soap's supposed to be blue. I mean, it looks blue to me on camera. But it's really green. So, maybe it'll take some time to maybe turn into a blue bar soap. I don't know. Well, usually after a couple of weeks or so, the soap will morph into its true color. So right now it's just like a teal green to me. Like, it's just green. Just doggone it green. But maybe it'll get better. So I won't spoil the surprise, but this soap is actually don't have any fragrance in it, so there's a reason why this one don't have fragrance. And I love the way it just cuts like straight. It's too soft to cut. I'm gonna have to, like, look, I'm making all kind of indentions in the soap, like, cause it's just high in water content, like, but it looks blue on screen. But anyway, I just wanted to test that out, show you guys my new cutter, because I could not wait. So I'm actually gonna let the rest of that sit, maybe for like 2 more days, because I haven't been soaping in a while. I've been really busy with school. And so that's kind of why I haven't been doing videos lately, because I've been in school and working, of course, and I just haven't had time to produce more videos for you. But and not only that, I had a hard drive full of videos and it actually crashed, so I cannot retrieve all those videos that I have for you. So I'm kind of like starting from scratch. But anyway, this is my new soap cutter. I really like it. And if you want one, I'll put a link in the description below, and you can check it out and put it in your watch list, or go ahead and purchase it, because this is a must and I'm so excited. Thank you guys for watching this video. And don't forget to take time out to pamper yourself. Bye now.